Hi, my name is Gabrielle Moore. I'm an MDS student here at Boise State University, and this is my brief video on managing your online image. As an HR manager and now a department manager at a hospital, I have gone through dozens and dozens, even maybe hundreds of resumes and interviews. And what I know is that your image matters. The face that you put out on social media, we can find it, we can see it, and we can read information from it. How do I manage my own online image? Well, first of all, I don't use social media as a daily journal. Using social media as a daily journal where you're updating once or even multiple times per day shows self-absorption and a super focus on your life. Employers want to make sure that when you're at work and you're not worried about your social media accounts. I also monitor my privacy settings frequently. There are a lot of updates with that, and I check them regularly. When someone wants to tag me in a photo on Facebook, for instance, they have to get my permission first, so no pictures of me appear without my knowledge and permission. I don't talk or post about controversial subjects. That's super important because you never know who's looking at you on social media and what their opinions are. When I go through my memories from years past, I make sure to edit out things that could be construed as controversial or political. And be consistent. If an employer goes online to look at your social media accounts and sees one face on Facebook and one different personality or face on Instagram, they're going to wonder who you really are. So how do I combat online bullying? First of all, choose your friends wisely. Don't let people into your world that don't have the right to be there. Number two, edit your friends often. Our friends, just like in life, change. When you don't have contact with somebody, stop allowing them access to your private data. 3, be generous with the block and unfollow feature. That's a very powerful tool. If you don't want to be in somebody's life or have them be in yours, this is a great tool, and it can be a little passive, but you don't have to see them all the time, and you don't have to let them see you. 4, report people who bully you. Report people who are abusing the social media realm immediately. 5, walk away. You don't need to engage with bullies. You can report them, you can block them, or you can shut your social media down altogether. 6, confront your bully in person if possible. Bullies get their power from anonymity, and if you take away that anonymity, then you take away their power. Make sure that you're ready to address the problem in a careful and professional way. But being in person is a totally different story. 7, set some healthy boundaries for social media use. Know what your limits should be and stick to it. Set a timer on your phone or an hour limit on your settings, but know what is healthy for you. And 8, be an example. I have children. My kids are kind of grown now, but it was important for me to be the example in the home of setting my phone down at dinner time and not being on my phone all the time or being obsessed with posting on social media. The fact is, social media is neither social nor media. Remember that it is just a pretend world where people get to make up whatever they want and tell you anything about themselves, and it doesn't necessarily mean it's true. Don't let them into your world, and don't be in theirs if you don't want to. Anyway, put your phone down and go live your life. Thank you.